In this video, we'll break down the 5 proven steps that can help you achieve financial freedom faster than you think. Financial freedom looks different for everyone. For some, it means retiring early. For others, it's being debt-free or owning a business. Start by defining what it means to you. Set a clear, specific number, the amount of passive income or savings you need each month to live comfortably. You can't control what you don't measure. Start tracking every rupee that goes out, from coffee to subscriptions. Once you know where your money leaks, you can start plugging the holes. Use the 50-30-20 rule. One income is risky. The wealthy don't just earn, they multiply their income. Start small, a side hustle, freelancing, digital products, or dividend-yielding investments. Every additional income stream brings you one step closer to freedom. Saving money isn't enough. Inflation eats it away. You must